Thank you for joining us today as we circle into the Gypsum Gap, an area that has been used throughout history as a passage, shelter, and as an ancient highway thanks to the feature's unique location and topology. A unique rift in the rocks allow for an easy descent from an elevated plain to a lower valley beyond a raised granite rock formation typical of the Colorado mineral belt. Petroglyphs and other artifacts indicate that ancient visitors or residents were in this area in roughly 5500 BC. The other carvings and etchings also place other cultures in this location right up to modern-era ranching visitors, with evidence showing visits in 1914 and 1933. This was our first encounter with cowboy glyphs.
This unique rift canyon from an area perspective seems to be an area where the layer of rock split as it moved upwards. It is a much smaller scale of the rift canyon formation process that is prevalent in this area. As you can tell by the standard visitors placard stand, the petroglyph area and the parking area are quite close to the road with easy visitor access. There is even a staircase constructed from stone slabs that gives access to the shelter area. Please enjoy the flight as we drop to for a closer look at the ancient messages from the past. As we move closer to the panel, the more modern etching of this era stand out the most. However, if visitors concentrate on the darkened areas of the blackened surfaces known as desert varnish, the images of the ancients begin to take form. Time, erosion, and careless exploration of prior visitors has caused the petroglyphs to fade over time, and as visitors leave their own traces and messages behind. I have never understood how someone can so readily deface such a rare gift with pride and ignorance. Aside from modern activities, please enjoy the drawings from a time prior to the dawn of our modern society and culture. Thanks again for watching our adventures as Sherry and I continue to explore the Great Desert Southwest. I look forward to visiting and flying again with you soon. Please like and subscribe to help us support our work. Have a safe and fantastic week.